Hi everyone, my name is Christy, and in today's video I am back again with another makeup review, and today I'm trying out a product from a brand that I am not familiar with. The brand is called Lower East Side, and I'm trying out the Full Brow Gel, which is why I only filled in one of my brows because I like to try out brow gels with and without the brow pencil that I usually use to fill in my brows. And so I got this in the shade light brown, and I'm pretty sure I got this in Ipsy. It retails for $19, which I definitely consider pricey, especially because I feel like this is going to be kind of small based off of the box here. Let's go ahead and get into it. This is cruelty-free. Yeah, a very small brow gel for $19. But let's go ahead and see what the applicator looks like. Okay, this looks nice. It's a very small, precise applicator, which is what I like in my brow gels. And so I love filling in my brows. I'm very picky with how my brows look and my brow products. Actually, the product that I already used on my brows to fill in this brow is from Winky Lux. This is the Unibrow Universal Brow Pencil. I love this one. I have used many of these Unibrow brow pencils from Winky Lux, and this is a new one that I'm just starting, and I'm so excited because I just feel like it gives me exactly the look that I try to achieve when filling in my brows. But so let's go ahead and start out by applying this to the brow that I have not filled in yet. And since this is in light brown, I'm thinking it might be able to fill in my brows a bit for me. So I'm just going to go ahead and start brushing it through. Ooh. It does go on very nicely. Like, it's not going on clumpy. It really is, you can see right away, filling in the brow really well. It's getting every brow hair. I'm really liking this applicator. Very precise. Okay, wow, that looks awesome. It definitely depends on your natural brow shape. Like, I just kind of like to get a little bit more arch, a little bit more precision in my shape. But that's my only complaint with this, is just my natural shape that I like to use a pencil to enhance. But if I already liked the shape, I think I would love this brow gel alone because it fills in the brow, it defines the brow hairs, but it looks so natural. It truly looks like nothing in the brow. It doesn't look clumpy, flaky, textured, and that was so quick and easy to apply. Yeah, I'm very impressed by this so far. Although, look at that. It has no hold. Oops, and as I just tried to brush through it, I got a little messy where I'd want to. Oops. Take that away. Oh, man, I kind of messed it up. It was looking so good. But now I went a little out of the lines with it and definitely applied too much. So a little goes a long way. This is supposed to be light brown, but it definitely is darker than I would have expected. But I feel like the color can still kind of work for me. But let's go ahead now and see how it is on top of the pencil. I'm hoping this will be a perfect combination of defining the brow hairs, helping to fill in any sparse areas. But yeah, definitely a bit dark. Yeah, the color of it is tricky because it can look messy if it's not applied exactly onto the brow hairs. And it's got a little bit more hold now. But what I really need my brow gel to do is hold the brow hairs in place. Okay. Unfortunately, it does seem like you kind of have to apply quite a bit for this to have that hold. But now as it's drying down, the brows are staying in place. It has that hold, but without that crunchy feel. So it's really just the color now that is making me not love this, because it looks so dark, especially considering this is the light brown shade, and it looks messy where I got it onto my skin and not onto the brow hair itself. So it's like I like the formula of this because it has hold, but it's not crunchy, it's not flaky, but it's messy and kind of hard to use because of the color. Therefore, I don't know that this is going to work for me. I don't think this is a product that I will use. It just is going to be too easy to mess up. And when I already put in that work to fill in my brow, just to go ahead and like mess it up to a point where I feel like I have to take it off and redo my brow, that's a bummer, because this started off great, but I feel like maybe I would prefer this in a clear version since I do like the formula. But if you've tried this out, maybe you've tried it out in a clear version or a different color that suits your brows better, let me know in the comments down below what you think of this. But I am interested in trying out more products now from the brand Lower East Side. So if you've tried any products from the brand Lower East Side that you like, definitely let me know about those in the comments down below as well. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon in my next video.